Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Making It with the Millionaires. So as you guys can see today, I'm just alone because it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So Joel's already at work and I'm about to start work online. And so I am going to be cooking for him today. It's not really a surprise. He already knows I'm gonna make this, but he doesn't know that I'm gonna make it now. Like, he's thinking that it's gonna be like way later. So I want to like surprise him so that when he comes home, it's already there, ready for him to eat, so that he can relax, rewind from his long day at work. So what I'm making today is pineapple fried rice. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along in the journey, and hopefully when he comes home and sees it, he'll be like, okay. So that's the reaction I would like to see from him, because this is gonna be difficult because I literally am working the same hours that he works. Okay, he starts earlier, but like until 2:30, I'm gonna be working and just trying to squeeze this in and figure this out throughout the mini breaks that I have. So y'all will see all that. So let's do it. So I took my pineapple and I like chopped it down the middle so far. Now I'm gonna carve out the juice of the pineapple and take out this so I can make it a bowl. Okay, so let's do this. Go log into work, so we'll have to resume this later. See you guys later. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I have like 6-7 minutes left until advisory. I'd like to give a shout out to the person who runs advisory with me, Miss Villa Gomez, my girl. She's really great to work with, and I told her I'd give her a shout out the next time I was recording a video for my little Alright, so since I have like a few minutes, I'm just gonna cut up my carrots. I usually scrape off the excess skin with this. So I'm gonna wash it. I don't think I'm gonna put too much carrots in here. Just gonna chop this up. And ready to go. Alright, I'm gonna go to advisory now and see my kiddos. Shout out to my advisory. If you're watching this, you know who you are. And so yeah, I'll be back in a few. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have a few minutes break before I have to get back and prepare my class by putting all the materials up on our Google Classroom. So I gotta do this quick. So right now I have my eggs and my day-old rice. So it's best to do fried rice with day-old rice that's been refrigerated, cooled off. So here's my rice that I made. Alright, so I'm gonna crack the eggs. Whew. I used to be so terrified of cracking eggs, guys. I can't believe I'm doing this on camera now. So in here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the white pepper. eggs in. So I'm gonna add some salt, some white pepper, some black pepper, and the soy sauce. Sugar in here. See how that tastes. You be forcing it with the sugar. I'm not gonna put the amount Joelle would put if he was in here. I'll put a little bit of sugar in here. Rice tea's popping. I'm so excited! Oh, it tastes so good. I'm so excited. I just want to eat it now. Okay, looks like it's ready. Yum. That's how I like my shrimp. All nice and seasoned. I'm gonna take my shrimp and my rice. I'm gonna just dump this all in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright. Mix it around. Like spice, so let's do it up. Oh, look at all those colors. So beautiful. They look good. Woohoo! Wonderful. So excited. Alright, so this is how we eating today. This bomb. And I love that I added the spices to it. I'm gonna add a little parsley just for color. So excited. I can't wait to see his reaction. Hope he's happy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this so far, and I'll try and get his reaction. See you guys later. Alright. I'm so ready for him to come home so we can eat. Woohoo!
How's it taste?
It tastes good.
Oh. Wow. You're the best.
Thank you. Are you a happy camper?
I am.
How does it taste?
It tastes good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel like you put the chili oil on it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Alright, this is Making It with the Millionaires.